Hello friends, this is Abbas and you're watching my YouTube channel. Hope you are all of doing well. Today I am going to complete Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Middle Level 2 grades. So in the beginning of the file, you can see that there is a description about this project. There is nothing to do anything or nothing to solve anything, but this could be a helpful if you will read it once. So let's move to the instructions file. How many steps we have to done to complete this assignment. So in front of me, I have like 21 steps to complete this assignment. I'm going to complete this assignment step by step. If you are struggling with Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, or Access, so you don't need to worry. I am providing simple step-by-step video tutorials on my YouTube channel, specially designed for those students who want to improve their computer skills. And if you are having any problem regarding any software, then you can hit my WhatsApp number and you can check out my Gmail address. I will try my best to provide you a quick and friendly service. So now let's move to the step number one. And step number one, I have in front of me like Excel, start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Middle Level 2. So basically you are you needed to download this file according to the step number 1. I have already downloaded this file. You can download it from your course dashboard. Now I am going to move on a step number 2 because in step number 1 we are only supposed to download the file. I have already downloaded it. So now I am going to move on a step number 2. So step number 2 I have like a pie chart is an effective way to visually illustrate the percentage of the class that earned A, B, C, and D and F grades. Basically, he want to insert a pie chart because he want to display percentage like I'm talking about the grades. He want to visual the grades like A, B, C, D through the pie chart. So the instructions are use the insert tab to create a pie chart from the final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 up to G39 and move the pie chart to its own sheet name distribution. So first part of the instruction is use the insert tab to create a pie chart. So we have our range like a F35 up to F G39. So simply go to the worksheet. I'm sorry, give me a moment. Go to the worksheet. Then we have a range like F35 up to G39. So select this range first and then simply click on a insert box. Insert, click on a pie chart and insert a pie chart. Now you can see that I have inserted a pie chart because so now you can see that we have inserted a pie chart for the value like F35 up to G39. Now the next instruction that move the pie chart to its own name distribution. So he want to create a its own name. So simply go to the worksheet, click on a move chart in a new share sheet section. We are supposed to change the name by distribution. So you can copy from here or you can type here distribution and simply click on a OK. So we have changed the name pie chart name as distribution as per instruction. So this is the end of step number 2 because in step number 2 we are only supposed to create a pie chart for the range F35 up to G39 and change the name that pie chart. Its own name was distribution that I have already typed there. So now I am going to move on to step number 3. So step number 3 I have in front of me, like you should enter a chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. It's saying that you should enter a chart title. Why we are creating this chart? This is the reason. So he is saying that we should enter a chart title. You will customize the pie chart to focus on a particular slices. So we can customize this chart right now as per instructions. So first instruction I have like apply the style 1 chart style. So in a design section you can see here are the styles numbers. So as per session we have style 1 to select and I have selected style 1. Now the next sessions are enter a accounting 2010 fall 2027 for the chart title. So this is the title we want to enter to describe the purpose of the chart. So we can copy from here accounting 2010 fall 2027 or simply then we are chart title. So select on a chart title and then in a formula bar paste it here. You can type here accounting 2010 fall 2027 and then enter. So you can see here accounting 2010 fall 2027 is the chart title to describe the percentage of the class that earned A, B, C, D and F grades. So now next instructions are explode the A grade slice by 7%. So he want to explore the slice A to 7%. So here is a slice 1. Yes, this one. And click right in a format database point. In a point exploration, click here 7 and then enter. So you can see that we have exploded slice A by 7%. So now the next instructions are change the F grade slice to dark red. So here is a F grade slice. Give me a moment, please. It's a A. It's a F. I'm sorry, guys. We are going to back because we was selected a wrong slice. So Control Z, chart title. Give me a moment, please. I'm sorry. I apologize for this, guys. Actually, I was selected a wrong slice. So we are going to do this procedure a bit little again. Give me a moment, please. I apologize, guys. Actually, by mistake, I was selected slice F for the exploded by 7%. So that was by mistake because as per instruction, we was supposed to click on a sorry, we was click on a slice A to explode a slice by 7%. So I have done it right now. Now and the next stations I have in front of me like change the F grade slice to dark red. So we are going to change the slice color for the slice F. So here is a slice F. Select it please and then click on a right in a format base in a fill section and we have instruction like dark red. So I have done this red color for the slice F as per instructions. So now the next instructions we have that remove the legends. So here you can click anywhere on a plus sign like here. So you can see here is the legend. So we are going to uncheck this to remove the legends. So when I have unchecked this, you can see that legends has been disappeared from the pie chart. And this is the end of the step number 3. Now I am going to move on to step number 4. Our best practice is to add all text for accessibility compliance. Add all text most student and B and C graded included periods. So we are supposed to add all text for the accessibility compliance. So this is the text I am going to copy here and we are supposed to add a all text. This is the text. Click in a plot area and then click right view all text and we are supposed to type most students and B and C graded and then simply click on a save. So once you will save this, so it will be saved for next. Now I'm going to move on a step number 5. So as per instruction step number 5, you want to add data labels to indicate the category and percentage of the class that earned each letter grade. Add data labels in the inside end position. Select data label option to display percentage and category name. Remove the values data label. So as per instructions, so basically we are supposed to add data labels to indicate the category and percentage. So click on the worksheet and then click on a pie chart. On a plus sign you can see here is the data labels. So you can see here data label values 8, 3, 2, 5 and 5. So he want to change this to the like. So we are supposed to add data label in the inside end position. So this is the click here, click on a plus sign and then data label and then inside end. So now you can see that our data labels are now in inside end. And the now next instructions are select the data label option to display the percentage and category name. So you can see that here is the box. So now you can see that data labels are selected. So we are supposed to display the percentage and category name. So we will check the percentage and category, and now the next instructions are remove the values data labels. So here is the values, so we have to remove it. Now you can see that values has been removed and percentage and category has been appeared. A, B, C, D, F is the category and 19%, 11% that is the percentage. So this is all about step number 5. Now I am going to move on to step number 6. And step number 6 I have in front of me like apply 18 point size and apply black color text 1 font color to the data labels. So select anywhere on data labels and then click it here. First click on any data labels and then go to the point, and as per instruction we have to set 18 points and we have 18 point now. Apply the black color text 1 font color to the data labels. So in the color section select black color, and this is all about step number 6. Now I am going to move on to step number 7. So step number 7 I have in front of me like you want to create a bar chart to depict grades for a sample of the students in the class. Create a clustered bar chart using the range A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23 in grades worksheet. Move the bar chart to its own sheet name sample score. So in step number 7, we are basically supposed to insert a blustered chart for the range A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23. So in a worksheet, click on a grids. First of all, select the range as per instructions, and that was A5 up to D5. This is a A5 up to D5, and then A18 up to D23. So press Ctrl and then select A18 up to D23. A18 up to D23 from here. And next, after selecting A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23, give me a moment please, then simply go to the Insert tab in a chart section, insert a blustered chart. This is. So I have inserted a blustered chart for the range A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23. And next, as per instruction, we have to change the chart name, and its own name is like sample scores. So simply go to the move chart and then type here sample scores, and then click on a OK. So now you can see that we have inserted a blustered chart by name sample scores for the range A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23. Now, this is all about step number 7. Now I am going to move on a step number 8. And I have step number 8 like customize the bar chart with these specifications. Style 5 chart style, legend on the right side in the Yara 11 points font size, light gradient accent to fill color for the plot area. So we are going to customize the bar chart, and as per session, first of all we change the style 5. So here is style 5, this one, select this, and then legend on the right side in 11 point font size. So you can see legends are at the bottom. Select these and simply on a click on a simply click on a legends and then in the legend box to the end. Excuse me. Yes, this one. Okay, it's on. Click on a legends, then legend should be in a right side. So now you can see that legend has been appeared on a right side as per instructions. So now next instruction, the legend on the right side and in 11-point font size. So select the legends and then simply go to the home tab, font point, and point should be 11. So I have set point 11 for the legends, and the next stations are light gradient ASIN to fill color for the plot area. So select the plot area. This is the plot area, and then gradient fill, and it's light gradient ASIN. So I have selected light gradient ASIN for the plot area of the bar chart as per instructions. So this is the end of the step number 8. Now I am going to move on to step number 9. So step number 9 I have in front of me like the chart needs a descriptive title. Enter sample test scores for the chart title. So this is the title, excuse me, this is the title sample test scores. Copy here and then select the chart title in a formula bar, type sample test scores and click enter. So now you can see that we have changed the title by name sample test scores, and this is the end of step number 9. So before I go to complete this assignment, let me tell you that if you need any help regarding Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, or Access, so you don't need to worry because I am providing a simple step-by-step video tutorial on my YouTube channel. So just subscribe my channel, follow me, and I will try my best to serve you as a fast and a friendly service. So thank you so much guys. We will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.